Your Assurance Wireless account number, also called account ID or billing account number, is a unique 10 to 12 digit identifier. It's crucial for managing your account, making payments, or updating your information. The account number is separate from your phone number and is linked to your service details. You can find it in three primary ways: through the Assurance Wireless app, on your bill, or by contacting customer support. Recent updates to the Assurance Wireless app, version 4.2, have made accessing this information even easier. You can now use biometric login for enhanced security. To find your account number using the app, download the Assurance Wireless app from your App Store, log in, and navigate to the Account or Profile section. Your account number will be listed under Account Details. This method is secure, requiring authentication. Alternatively, check the top right corner of your monthly bill, either digital or paper. The account number will be clearly labeled. Finally, you can contact customer support at 1-888-898-4888 or use the live chat on the website. Be prepared to verify your identity with details like your name, address, or the last four digits of your phone number. Support agents can quickly retrieve and provide the number to you. Remember, Assurance Wireless uses security measures like encryption to protect your account data during retrieval. App usage for account queries has risen 40% since 2023, demonstrating the shift towards self-service options. If having issues finding your account number, contact support to have it found and provided for you.